Catalonia, which is situated in the northeast of Spain, is fast becoming the top food and agriculture cluster in Europe. The wealth and variety of its landscape is reflected in its food products. The food industry in Catalonia is of outstanding importance. It makes up a quarter of the gross national product of the industrial sector in Spain. The presence of Catalan food products in foreign markets has become more and more evident during the last few years, making them leaders of Spanish exports in markets such as the United States, Japan, China and other emerging economies like India and Brazil. The vast majority of exports are to countries within the European Union. The meat industry, cavas and wine are the main products. Thanks to the initiative and enthusiasm of the sector, it has been possible to cross frontiers into Asiatic countries and the North American market, where Catalan wines and cavas can be found in abundance, something which years ago was unthinkable. Catalonia is also becoming one of the main fruit-producing areas in Europe. Indeed, half the apples and pears produced in Spain are grown in Catalonia. Apart from the know-how of the farmers, Catalan exports bring with them a new way of cooking, eating and living, which is closely linked to everything related to the Mediterranean culture and diet. Catalan food products are to be found all around the world, and these are some of the outstanding examples. Our first case of exportation is the hazelnuts from Reus, which travel all the way to South American countries. Venezuela imports this nut, which ends up transformed into the most typical and lovely confectionery in the country, Toronto chocolate. To carry on with non-manufactured products, Europe is the main importer of Catalan fruit. So the apples produced in Girona arrive in London, where the fruit is offered to consumers on stalls in the streets and markets in the British capital. Greece, although it has an economy based on the consumption of its own products, is supplied with pears from Lleida, which are especially well known for their sweetness and juiciness. Corner shops and the markets in Athens receive the fruit from La Plana at the beginning of the year. Europe also receives other products, like the rice grown in the Ebro Delta. Parisian high cuisine is supplied with this cereal, which gives economic impetus to one of the most special areas in Catalonia. Nordic countries also appreciate the taste coming from Catalonia. Sweden, which is a great consumer of fish like herring, has discovered in the anchovies caught and salted in La Scala a new ingredient for their cuisine. One last example within Europe is in the Netherlands. In the main market in Amsterdam, as well as in the main gourmet shops, cold sausage from Vic has an important place, since it's eaten there as a top-quality appetizer. Sweets as traditional for us as the turrón or nougat of Agramunt have found a new market on the other side of the Atlantic. Even after the Christmas celebrations, the American public can find turrón in the main supermarkets in Texas. At the other side of the United States, another product is becoming a leading player in eating places and celebrations. The cheese from La Selle is exported to San Francisco, where it competes with other dairy products coming from various other autonomous regions. If we travel a little further south, one of the most important supermarket chains distributes Catalan canned mushrooms around Argentina. Although Argentinians are also great mushroom growers, the quality and taste of ours are unique in the world. Countries in the Antipodes import other Catalan quality products, like olive oil. In its journey around the globe, olive oil makes a very special stop in Melbourne, where it is sold as a luxury product. Asia is interested in the Catalan gastronomic market. Wine products are the most successful. Shanghai has started to drink Catalan wine with meals and to consider the drink as part of Oriental life. On the other hand, Thailand prefers kava. The main hotels in Bangkok and the specialised shops there distribute kava among their customers. The success of Catalan products around the world has made it possible to carry out a project which is being developed by the promoter of Catalan exports, the Department of Agriculture, Food and Rural Action, the Culinary Institute of America and the Alicia Foundation. This project entails the training of American professionals in the culinary techniques and foodstuffs that have taken our cuisine to the highest level of international prestige. American students and teachers travel to Catalonia to discover our gastronomy, while Catalan experts go to the Culinary Institute of America to make speeches and give courses on health and food, with Catalan products and cuisine as the fundamental interest. Catalonia is found throughout the world. Its products cross borders with their quality guaranteed, and citizens around the globe consume them. The exportation of products, along with the increase in popularity of Catalan cuisine over the last few years, have contributed to making Catalonia participate in the lives and diet of citizens all around the world.